Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your clips and setting a comp that matches the source. This prevents scaling and frame rate issues. Once done, make sure color management is set in project settings so your adjustments are consistent across displays. You should also pre-compose any layers you'll grade together. That keeps masks and effects intact. Finally, set your timeline to best quality and cache previews. This speeds real-time playback when you apply heavy color plugins or Lumetri. Now you're ready to apply primary corrections. You begin correcting exposure and white balance with Lumetri's basic section. Lift shadows or reduce highlights until the histogram looks balanced. Then, switch to curves and color wheels to shape contrast. Push mids slightly for punch and pull highlights down a touch to retain detail. Once done, use masks or tracked mats for selective fixes, skin tones, skies, or objects, and feather them so the grading blends. Make sure to toggle before slash after to compare. You'll catch overcorrection quickly. You now add creative character. Apply a LUT or film emulation at low intensity and tweak saturation and tint until it reads naturally. After that, introduce subtle vignette, a touch of grain, and slight sharpening to unify the image. Once done, render short test clips and check them on the target display. Make sure skin tones remain believable and no banding appears. If colors shift, verify project and output color spaces. Troubleshooting tip. If hues shift on export,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.